Hello, welcome back. We continue on this question 5-14A. Lynn, we're going to do the filter on Lynn, federal unemployment tax on Lynn, because Lynn has not exceeding 7,000 yet. So $160 times the 0.6% converted to decimal point 0.006, and filter is equal to G34 times I34. Okay, so it's 96 cents. So FICA consists of OASDI and HI, the OASDI and Medicare. So FICA equal to K22 plus the K24 equal K22 plus K24. SUTA state unemployment tax. State unemployment tax is this one here. So K30th equal K30th. Hit enter. Filter is federal unemployment tax. Federal unemployment tax is K34. So equal K34. And total payroll tax is FICA, SUTA, and filter. FICA, state unemployment, and federal unemployment all together. So equal to the sum, open bracket, G37 ... G39, close bracket. Okay, so the total payroll tax is $106.42, $106.42. And employer needs to contribute $76.93 for the OASDI, and the Medicare employer needs to contribute to this to the healthcare for the employee. So employer's contribution is $17.99, and the state is $10.54. Employer needs to contribute to the state unemployment. And the federal unemployment tax, employer needs to contribute 96 cents, okay? So we completed our 5-14A already. Thank you for watching.